This is Friday, June the 2nd, 2023. I'm at the former Ken's Kitchen, now known as Tatos. So they're going to open this Sunday, and it's going to be the same kind of concept as Ken's Kitchen, but according to the boss, it's going to be better. So let's go inside and chat with her and check it out. Oh, it's all nice and fresh now.
这个是我们的菜单。好，
你会说中文？
我会说中文。
Okay.
我会说英文。
This is the boss here. What's your name?
My name is Heidi.
Heidi. Nice to meet you, Heidi.
Nice to meet you too.
So this is the new owner of the previous Ken's Kitchen. Now it's called Tatos.
Potatoes like potato.
Oh,
potatoes.
okay. Tatos Kitchen. Okay.
Yeah.
Did somebody win the contest?
One Chinese guy. Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, potatoes, and also the Chinese name is 大众食堂, just like
okay.
People's Kitchen.
Okay.
But this name will be used. So
I
that's
was
why.
going to enter the name. I would have called it the only Chinese food.
The only.
Because there used to be
That's a good
only
idea.
seafood down there.
Yeah.
On Hastings. So I was going to enter. I never got around to
Only
entering.
Chinese
So I don't
food,
get any
yeah.
free food for 30 days.
You have a chance with my franchise open. You can.
Oh no! I worked at my dad's restaurant when I was 10,
Oh, I
and
see.
then I worked till about early 20s. I never worked in a restaurant after that. Oh, yesterday passed inspection.
Yeah, so that's why today we can prepare everything.
Oh, so all the balloons are ready to go.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So Sunday, first day. So is the menu similar or different?
Very similar, and the price is the same price as the
Same
before.
price, okay,
But
okay.
We have like a better ingredients,
Oh.
better chef, and also
Oh, better chef. Okay, I'm looking forward to the food.
because they've been like over 20 years,
Yeah.
like chef experience, work
Yeah.
at a very high-end restaurant, Chinese restaurant at
Yeah.
Richmond.
Oh,
So,
which
yeah.
one is that? Do you know, or can you tell me? What restaurant was that? Or you're not gonna tell me?
Can't say.
Okay, that's fine. That's okay. Well, the food's gonna be good.
Yeah.
And I see. Is this all brand new? Like these?
Everything, all the equipment is brand new.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Are you gonna have sit-in? No.
I can't because it's harder than the city proof. We want as soon as possible to open it.
Okay.
So everything they keep same.
Are you not gonna open? You're not gonna have? You're
Maybe
not-
later, but now no. But later maybe we'll add bubble tea.
Oh, bubble tea.
Yeah, bubble tea
okay.
and some dessert.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay.
fresh
I used to
soybean
come.
milk.
I came here since the 1990s.
Wow, that's
And-
30 years ago.
A long time ago, right?
Wow.
And I've been doing a lot of stuff in Chinatown and stuff, and I'm trying to save the there's somebody building a building at 105 Keefer Street.
105 Keefer. Wow.
Yeah, so they've been doing that, trying to build for a long time. It's just going to be over 100 apartments,
Wow.
and some people want to keep it as more like a
Just
memorial
next
thing.
Street.
Yeah, just now.
Yeah.
You see the memorial thing there?
Yeah.
They want to build right beside it.
Wow.
So the thing is, right now, some people are opposed to building. They want to
Oh.
keep it open or use it for something else. But that is just housing for 100 apartments.
Oh wow.
So they're going to have a hearing the week after.
Wow.
So,
what do you think? Are they? approved or-
well, the people in Chinatown, they want to build.
Oh, then it should be approved. More people will.
But the thing is,
Agree.
if they approve that, to me, they should be used for something else more related to Chinatown.
Oh yeah.
That's the way I think, right?
This is Chinatown, so that's
Yeah.
why I want to take over. It's more meaningful. I can keep the Chinese style,
Yeah.
and still
Yeah.
like as a symbol.
Yeah,
to-
we need a
to
restaurant
serve-
like this.
Yeah.
We need a restaurant like
And
this.
actually, this is the window let the local people to see China, to
Yeah.
see the Chinese culture.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's
Yeah,
why
it's good.
I wanted. I feel it's very proud, very meaningful.
It's good. We're afraid that a lot of people say, well, Ken's Kitchen closed, nobody's going to take over.
Oh, I take over.
And that's good.
That's why my friends say, "Are you crazy? You're so brave."
Did
I
you,
said,
if you look up Ken's Kitchen, I got 3 videos on it.
Oh, really?
And the last one, I said, okay, I'm very sad, and then
Please report that good news.
I'm going to post this pretty soon.
Although
Probably
it's-
next few days.
yeah.
Okay, looks good. I mean, steam right. There's the prices there.
Yeah, so thankful for all the
Oh, the price? No, it's actually cheaper.
we keep same. Yeah, like one entry and the 2 toppings, same price.
By Sunday, there will be food in these trays. I'm going to be showing up here on Sunday.
Thank you. Please come to Tatos Kitchen.